Sometimes our lives can be so busy we barely get a second to come up for air. But even in those busy moments, we're always breathing, especially for people waiting for the bus on their daily commute. They're facing these environments every day. Is this really okay? If the information from monitoring devices that are supposed to check the concentration of fine dust is inaccurate and doesn't have live updates, people are forced to just accept the information they see, which can lead to harm. On top of this, conventional beta ray monitoring devices with 1 meter long heaters need to collect fine dust for an hour to get an accurate measurement. That's too long to provide real-time updates. On the other hand, small and simple monitoring devices are inexpensive and easy to use, but they come with drawbacks, such as low accuracy and short lifespans. Why is the accuracy low? Fine dust in the atmosphere loves water. When it absorbs moisture and grows like this, the monitoring device is no longer able to detect it properly. We thought we were safe because we believed the information provided by our existing devices. But it turns out we were inhaling fine dust the whole time. As a result, we had to fight against many illnesses. The problems with these extra fine dust monitoring devices have all been solved by TAM. First, high accuracy. The patented ultra-small heater in our device emits strong heat to the fine dust, evaporating the moisture in it. Thanks to this, errors do not occur and both fine dust and ultra-fine dust can be accurately detected. Second, high durability. Conventional devices suck air from the top to the bottom, causing fine dust to accumulate inside the device. This leads to malfunctions and shortened lifespans. However, TAM has increased durability by preventing fine dust from accumulating inside, through technology that moves air from the bottom of the device to the top. Third, accessibility. Streetlights, traffic lights, bus stops, and even small spaces are no problem. TAM is the only accurate fine dust monitoring device that can be installed on public roads. With a simple installation, the Smart Monitor TAM can be installed anywhere it's needed. Using these strong advantages, TAM provides accurate information. TAM provides real-time information on continuously changing air quality measured in seconds. TAM will never stop until you can feel at ease and breathe comfortably anywhere you go. For the sake of the Earth and its people, and to ensure the universal right to access unbiased air quality information, GGSensors will do its best to ensure that you can always see a clean sky.